Good day, sir. I'm Principal Posano, Section G2 Alpha. So, I'm going to recite about the Rule 34, maneuvering and warning signal. Letter A. A vessel are in sight of one another. A power-driven vessel underway when maneuvering as authorized or required by these rules shall indicate the maneuver by the following signal on her whistle. One shot blast to means one aim altering my course to starboard. Two short blast means I am altering my course to port. 3 short blast means I am operating astern propulsion. Letter B. Any vessel may supplement the whistle signal prescribed in paragraph A of this rule. By light signals repeated as appropriate whistle, the maneuver is being carried out. This light signal shall have the following significance. 1. Flash means I am altering my course to starboard. 2 flashes means I am altering my course to port. 3 flashes means I am operating astern pollution. The duration of each flash shall be about 1 second. The interval between flashes and shall be about 1 second, and the interval between successive signals shall be not less than 10 seconds. A light used for this signal shall, if it be an all-around white light, visible at a minimum range of 5 miles, and shall comply with the provision of Annex 1 to this regulation. Letter C. When in sight of one another in a narrow channel or fairway, a vessel intending to overtake another shall, in compliance with Rule 9, E, indicate her intention by the following signal on her whistle. 2 prolonged blasts followed by 1 short blast to mean intend to overtake you on your starboard side. 2 prolonged blasts followed by 2 short blasts means I intend to overtake you on your port side. Number 2, the vessel about to be overtaken when acting in accordance with Rule 9E, Number 1 shall indicate her agreement by the following signal on her whistle. 1 prolong, 1 shot, 1 prolong, and 1 short blast in that order. Letter D. When vessels in sight of one another are approaching each other and from any cause either vessel fails to understand the intention of action of the other or is in doubt when neither sufficient action is being taken by other to avoid collision, the vessel in doubt shall immediately indicate such doubt by giving at least 5 short and rapid blasts on the whistle. Such signal may be supplemented by a light signal of at least 5 short and rapid flashes. Letter A. A vessel nearing a bend of an area of a channel or fairway where other vessel may be obscured by an intervening obstruction shall sound 1 prolonged blast. Such signal shall be answered with a prolonged blast by any approaching vessel that may be within hearing around the bend or behind the intervening obstruction. Letter F. If whistles are fitted on a vessel at a distance apart of more than 100 meters, one whistle only shall be used for giving, maneuvering, and warning signals.